It's Sydney here today with another YouTube video. When I said hey guys, I meant my 3 subscribers. Shout out to you guys. Raylynn's one of them. Okay, but so today we are just going to be doing something like, well, we're just doing a YouTube video, but we are going to be painting a birdhouse. Like, we're painting one. Actually, we might be painting 2. I just don't know. But yeah. Okay. We'll be painting a birdhouse today, and I will put all her social media down in the the description box down below after this. And let's get right into the video. So, this is the birdhouse we're going to be painting. I made it when I was at summer camp last year, and I don't know what kind of wood it is, but yeah, it's just wood. And I just nailed 4. I wish we could do it of like us showing how to do it.
I know.
That would be cool, okay? But like, okay, so we're going to be painting this birdhouse in just a minute. This color we are going to be using is this dusty gray. We're going to be using this dark brown. Now we're going to be doing the roof.